the city government on how to improve the amenities of the isolation building?
As amenities, it's the responsibility of the hospital na ang coordination namin with the other agencies like DOH, the city government, yung silang responsible for the contact tracing of the patient, because kami receiving hospital, receiving patients lang kami. So once sila kasi yung naga-identify na meron palang suspect, so that's the time they will contact us na merong possible na yan. Receiving hospital lang kami.
Gaano tayo ka-imminent na magiging may darating na Ebola dito, considering na sa America meron na, and US of course is known to be maraming Pinoy talaga na umuwi dito?
Yeah, I think it's a chain reaction, no? It should start sa siguro sa airport. I think dapat siguro ang airport dapat strengthen nila yung dapat yung thermometer nila, because itong mga virus it will detect pag may fever ka no? Ganun siguro it will start from the airport then all the way to the hospital.
Pero dapat 'di ba kayo yata yung may tao dun sa airport din, or talagang
hindi.
Airport personnel?
Sa amin talaga receiving lang talaga kami. Ang I think skilled din yung mga personnel nila sa airport to do the thermometer, parang gano'n. Yung ma-identify kung high fever ba.
But do they have the proper gear to in case na meron
no, kasi we cannot tell kasi yung patients na especially these are passengers kasi, di ba?
Yes.
Mga passengers coming from abroad, no? So alam ko meron silang detector for body temperature.